Good morning, everybody. All right, so markets are shrinking back. We may go negative here. We have to look for some shorts, huh? All right, let's see. OESX, another energy name up. Last time we had the energy names up, they actually just went down all day for the most part. We'll see if names like VKTX, RKDA start waking up again today. FPay will be one to watch here. PRPL is up here off of earnings. They're up actually really nicely. A name that you're going to want to add to your watch list, okay? New name to add to your watch list, DFFN. They just got a little bit of volume. Cheaper stock, under $1. Starting to get a little pre-market activity. And Sauce is a name that we're going to want to keep an eye on for highs. 105 is the buyout price, but again, sometimes they get smaller breakouts and it's easy. So we'll see.